Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Kai's Fire Dragon 4 Plus set. From Ninjago. This was sent to a delivery failure. So here are the instructions. I'm going to give them a rip. I won't be using them, I'll be doing it without any help from the instructions because I'm a big boy. I can build my own Lego. So what I'll be using to do everything is this box here. Just the images from that. Got two piles. One's off camera at the moment. So, for this bit we're going to be focusing on the dragon. Figures, pretty easy. Most people don't need instructions for. It seems like he has that, so there's the first bit. At least we're not completely incompetent. Next bit may be a little bit difficult. I think these legs go on without any attachments. Let's see if there's any better images on the back of the box. Oh, well, just found an even better image for that. Okay, so I'm going to use that, I think, for the first bit. So the legs, yeah, I was right about them, they go on like that. Connect everything on, as I can see here. So these wings look to be like an interesting build. I'll have to take a closer look at them, I think. I think they use these parts with some of the orange parts. Have to have another look. Okay, so now we've got them attached. We'll maybe add these, and then them. That looks about right. I think it's the same build for each one, so shouldn't be too difficult. And then like that. Oh, well, that went well. Just copy that on the other side. Okay, so I've got a boat with wings and a head, maybe. Gonna have to use some better images, I think. Here's a good image from the top. So as you can see, attach that like that, I think. Right, I'm gonna have to have a look at this because I don't understand what's going on. That piece looks to be a little bit inset, so what I'm thinking is something like oh, breaking everything now. Okay, so I think that's what I was meant to do without knocking the wing off. And then I'm not sure. Maybe they attach. I've got these two black parts here, which I don't see anywhere on the builds, so maybe they fill out the space in between. So here, I'll just place them to fill up this space. Well, I need to move them forwards because I don't think that's where they're meant to go. Yeah. In the images it looks like it's one further back, but after taking another look you can see it's just one forward. It seems that there's a piece in the mouth with some fire coming out of it, so here's the fire. This is the only other piece that I can think of, although if it's needed for something else I can just take it out. How about does that go? You can either put it there, I think. Does that seem about right? No, I think it's gone forward. Like that, that seems a bit better. A lot of clicking in this. Breaking its neck. I think that's doing it itself. Tail uses one of these and this. And then I'm guessing like this. I'm not too sure how it connects just yet. It seems that there's a space here that needs to be filled. Well, that's probably got to go there. And then because that's at the end, using big smarts. I know I was fit for college. I'm just so big brain that I can build a age 4 Lego set. That, maybe there? What do you guys think? It seems pretty far back. If we look here. Yeah, that seems about right. So, I think, because these pieces seem to be here, and I can't see this being used anywhere else, put that there, and then cover it up like that. That seems to be about right. Good to know that I can still go back to play school if I need to. Okay, so that was that build. I'm gonna move on to the next one. This might be a little bit harder, or easier. Can't quite tell because, as you can see, they are slightly covered, however, doesn't seem to be too complicated. So if we set this up so you can see it, I think we get this, and yeah, that seems about right with that on top. If I can actually get that on top, Jesus Christ. Done. I think that took me way longer than it needed to. Alright, I think that goes in and set into the wall. There's that piece right at the edge, as you can see, and I think that holds the fire sword. Maybe. Like that. These seem to be the torches here. And they use these curvy flame pieces because the other ones, as you can see, are used on the fire. Random things like the random fire burst eruption things. Don't see where this could be used. Maybe up there. Yeah, that seems about right. I am pretty happy with that build. I wish that bit was covered. But, oh, forgot about the figure. Again, another easy thing. There you go. And all that's left is these small fire things. So I did this set. A few extra pieces. I think these go here on the ends. Just seen that. Try looking at it from the other side. Yeah, these definitely go there. Like that. Don't see where this was used in the set. At least for this build, because I've completely done that one, I'm pretty sure. So, unless it's on this, I don't think so. That's one point, because why not? There is my attempt at building this set without any instructions, like a growed up big boy. This was quite a fun video to make, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.